love you. Say I love you.
I love you.
Come on, meow, meow, meow. Putty cat Simba. Being so vocal today. He's a happy kitty. Oh, I gotta mark the calendar that I gave you your pill. I'm gonna go see the vet today, I think. At one point, if it stops raining, I gotta go pay them. Yeah, you're a good boy. Your medicine's running low. I'm gonna need a refill soon. My baby, I love you, yes. My Simba. My pretty cat. Wow, but it's so wet. It's raining. Okay, restart required, huh? Okay, restarting now. Alright. Pussycat Simba. You're a good boy. I love you. Booty, booty, boo. And say I love you. Say I love you.
I love you. Meow, meow, meow.
Come on, Simba. I love you. You're a good boy. I love you. You're a good boy.
I love. I love.
That's what he says more I love than I love you.
I love you. Come on, meow, meow, meow. Booty boo, Simba. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
What a good boy you are. I love, yes. I know you love. I love you. My pretty cat. He's a good boy. I know you're a good boy. I know. I know. There's water in your cage and everything. Meow. My Simba. He says,
I love you.
say I love you.
I love you.
He says a lot of,
I love. I love.
that's what he says. He meows just like that. I love or I love you. That's how he meows.
I love you.
Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a smart boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I love you. You want to go out and watch the birds? You want to go pretend to stalk the birds? Huh? You want to do pussycat things? Meow. Yeah, I love you. Okay. It's wet, but they got an enclosure, so alright. That's probably all acid rain in there. Okay, I'm gonna dump this. I'm gonna dump this. I know they were seeing the clouds yesterday because I saw them. In between all that overcast, it started to part, and then I saw 3 areas with 3 lines of chemtrails. that were like illuminating in the clouds, and you could see. So it was total like of it was two sections of 3 and then one of 2. It's damp, wet, and cold out here. All right.